Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. If you have trouble keeping up with technology and all of the changing things, especially the chargers, join the crowd. But I know that Scosche always has me covered, even when it comes to the little things like chargers. This is an extremely portable charger that fits the USB-C charging cable. What I like is that it is very small and compact. It can go with me anywhere. And also the plug-in folds down and back up. That way it's not going to get caught on anything and possibly break in transportation. I can charge tablets, phones, and many other things, old and new, with this charger, as long as it's compatible with the USB-C adapter. I found that this charges really fast, and my tablets and things like that don't have to stay charging for very long because they're done so quickly. This is a simple and effective solution to keep me updated on all my charging needs, and that's my point of view.